Alright, quick video. Another quick video. On their Glad Hands. Glad Hands, I think they got, I forget, Glad Hands. Alright, listen to this. Hear that? It's leaking. Bad leak. Don't let me know my seals are bad. My seals went bad on it. You look at it. Now I'm gonna go do that. I will turn the truck off. I keep these. Had a pair of these. Keep them. Glad Hand seals. Buy some. Just keep them in your truck. It's good to keep. You know. So I already had them. Now look at this. See that? That is bad. That seal is not in the proper working condition. So we're going to see about popping this bad baby out. Let's see. I need a screwdriver. There we go. Got it out. Now look at that compared to this one. It's a big difference. Hope this one works. The hole is smaller. We'll see. Alright. Pretty much just work it in there. Alright. Work it in there. Stick your finger in the hole if you have to, you know. Kinda. It's not hard. Quick little easy fix, just a matter of having them. Alright, okay, so got that did. Let's see. I might need to replace the one on the trailer. Let's see. We'll try it out. Right. Let's see what we got. Old compared to new. No more leak. See, don't hear no more. Quick fix. Some people will probably freak out and want to put the truck in the shop. You don't have to do that. These Glad Hand seals cost me what, like $4 or something, $3 maybe. I think I might have even caught them on sale for like $2. It wasn't expensive. So this is my little setup right here. All right, so that's why I keep them at. Oh, drop my pen. Keep them up in here. Can you see it? Got my little box. So stick that back in there. All right, got my cables. This I've had to use this before. It's good to get you one. It's an air hose. It connects to your air supply, and you can air your tires or whatever. Got a kingpin lock. Of course, I got two sets of triangles. I have an extinguisher. Got some cleaning stuff. Got some fifth wheel grease back there. Jumper cables. Bungee straps. I buy some bungee straps. You can get them $3, $4, $5. I bought them, you know, when I first started leasing, just in case, and I've needed them on 2 or 3 occasions. You know, just small miscellaneous things. You never know when you might be in a bind for a quick fix just to get you to where you need to be. You know, so do that. You know, and like if I would have got pulled up, I probably would have got a violation for that Glad hand seal leaking like that. You know, I'm glad I caught it. I just heard it. I let my window down. I was actually about to pull out, and I heard it leaking air. Like, man, I gotta fix this right quick. So, boom, just like that would have took me 2 minutes, maybe. You know. So, yeah, there was just another quick video, and there the guy got my windshield fixed, looking all new. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pull up to the fuel island so I can clean my other windshield, because he got it all spotless and purdy and stuff, all purdy. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna get something to eat, and I am going to hit the road, Jack. All right, y'all, take it easy.